Drinking mother.
mother.
Look at the phone. They're gorgeous.
Good night. You're gonna go off the bed.
Give them more.
Is that okay? I'm
Give him a bit more.
off the bed and fly around. Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Wait, do it again. Look, he's trying to get me up, Oh, he's getting hyper. He's like, come on, just give me some more, man. Yeah, yeah. Do you want some more? Nah. Yeah?
Yes? Say yes. Yes. Yes? Say yes.
Yes or no?
Yes?
Yes or no? Oh, okay.
Did you say no?
Yeah.
You say no.
Yes or no?
Do you want some more? Yes or no? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes or no?
You're saying yes and yes. No,
yes or no? Do you want yes? Yes or no? Do you want some more?
Say yes?
Yes or no?
Yes or no? Yes or no? Say yes. Yes, no.
Do you want yes, no? Yes, no, yes, no.
Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes or no? Do you want some more?
Put them out there for me.
He's like, oh, you fucking know.
No?
Nah, I think he's pinging off his head. Oh, they feel wet, mad as. Come over here, sit on their shoulder. Sit on their shoulder. No, Nengi, he won't bite you or nothing.
Sit on your shoulder.
He will, no, Nengi, he won't bite you, go on. He won't. He just wants to sit on your shoulder. Look, see? He's trying to get on. Go close so he can get on. See?
Oh, there you go.
Look, he's on his shoulder. Walk with it. Wait, walk with it.
Try and get.
Go on, you go on and then go. Wait, one of you. Stay and then go. We'll hold your bag for you.
Get on.
Hey, hold it, then go.
He's just trying to get on. He's trying to get something to grip on too.
Yeah.
He's
trying to take his stuff. Wait. He's trying to get on ya.
Yeah, he's trying to get on.
No, that's how they get on ya. That's how they get on ya. Justin, you go.
Ow. No, Kim, you do it and see how it hurts. You get right into ya. Come on, do it. Do it. Get close right into you. Do it. It's like this.
Put your hoodie on.
Look. He's like right there, the shoulder.
You do it, Lisa.
Yeah, I'll record it.
No, shame job, no fun.
Okay.
Go on, you do it. Hey, I'll give you my hoodie to put on. I'll give you my hoodie to put on, so because it's real thick. Here, hold that. There you go.
Fucking this one. Yeah.
It's real big, you know.
Okay, record it.
Yeah, it's recording. It is still. Oh! Go, get on. No, you meant to put that on your head. They might hit your head. Yeah. Come on, get on. Yeah, that side. Up here. Yeah, put your arm out like that. There. There, look. Walk around now. Go. Yeah, he's on. Or he'll fly off if he falls.
Hello.
Trying to Copperfield.
Yeah.
Go walk over there. Walk over there.
No.
Yeah, go make him walk. Please stop.
You pretty.
Oh, look at it.
Fucking pretty.
Oh, I like that.
Ow. Why'd you bite me? Why?
Well, that's what I meant to do.
No.
You can see it's like, yes.
No, it hurt. You bit me on the fucking arm. It's like you could have bit my arm. No. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Oh. Hello. Yes.
I think that's all he wants. That's all he says.
You want to be my friend? Yes. Say hello if you do. If you want to be our friend, say hello. Hello. If you want to be our friend, say hello. Okay. Oh, hello. You want to be our friend? Yes. Yes.
Say hello.
Yeah.
If you want to be a friend, say higgh.
Say yes.
Higgh, higgh, higgh.
Say yes. Yes. Yeah.
I got filters and roller papers in there.
Mind your manners.
No one like me. There is no one like me.
It's like just now, like, oh my god, girls, mate.
Yeah, we've been there for like a half an hour.
Wait. Wait, don't bite me. Hey. No. Don't.
He bit me right there.
Want a cone? Want a cone? Want a cone? You want a cone? Do you want a bong?
Wait, what if he was going like that and then he found this bump thing?
Look,
oh,
just a rod.
Oh.
Show us what you do with your hand.
Go tip tap. Do you want to be our friend? Jack, Max. Max. Jack. Max, do you want to be our friend? Yes.
Yes.
He's trying to copy us because we're like that.
Come on, yes. Go like this with your foot, go on.
Around circle.
Love heart. Go
Max,
like this.
do you want to be our friend?
Love heart. How cute. Aww.
Do you want to be our friend, Max? Yeah?
There is no one like
Max. Max. Hello. I love this bunny. It's so cute.
Say hello to the camera. Hello.
Get my shame.
Say hello. Say hello. 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 You got a black tongue, mate.
Sorry,
I'll think. You reckon? Ready?
Jack. Max. I got him confused. Max. Max. Max, do you want to be our friend?
Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, no? Yes? No? Yeah. You're Jack's uncle. Are you Jack's uncle?
He bit me when he got on my shoulder.
Who's that?
Jack Baldwin?
Yeah.
Oh, on my desk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't shoot you that shit. You shit shitty at me.
Here.
Grumpy at me. That'd be fine with you, but he sees all bristled up.
Yeah, what does that mean?
He's grumpy at me. You watch. Hello. You want to have a go at me? I think you're too sure, aren't you?
Is that your bird?
Yeah.
Oh.
Does it say hello?
Yeah,
What else?
sure.
What else does it say?
He won't say a lot in here because there's too many noises, but if I take him home or in the car, he's just non-stop.
Aww. Can you like to have a conversation with him now?
No. Oh, he says all like he says hello. Polly want a cracker, unfortunately. He says that.
Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker?
Scared because I'm here, so I'll go away.
Look at the back bit.
Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker?
Polly want a cracker. Want a crack, mate? Want a crack? Polly want a crack. Oh my god, look at their tongues.
Max.